Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer door shelf bar in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer door shelf bar. This shelf bar is mounted on the freezer door. It allows for additional storage space. The main reason to replace the freezer door shelf bar is if it's broken and won't stay in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. To remove the freezer door shelf bar, we need to push up one of the ends like that, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite side, and we can take it out. This is the old freezer door shelf bar next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, to install the new freezer door shelf bar, we're going to bring it in and insert it inside the door with this side up and press it down so it will lock. And now we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.